What?
Have you ever watched the new Fuller House?
Yeah, we did. So what?
It's really inspiring.
See my dog?
To come to me.
She's a wonderful dog. The whole planet. See that? That's my nephew,
No, it's
Eric.
not. I'm not a nephew.
Yes.
I'm just a person. My name is Eric. You probably know me from Susan B. Anthony. But don't show my face right now. I'm not in the mood. My face is not that good right now.
Yeah,
Let
just
me
mine.
do my hair. Let me wash my face, and then you could.
You see just my hair, or I'll need my haircut.
Hey, who?
This is my dog.
You guys probably know me from Susan B. Anthony, though.
Hey
Please, do not make
guys,
fun of me.
we have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, so can you?
Brand new. That one. No, the
The EJ.
no,
It's called EJ
that one.
Jets. What?
The movie. Go. No, that one there. Start over again. Well, I'm bored, like Born in the House. There's a song of Born in the House. Okay?
Yeah, it's called Bored in the House. You probably guys know it because you should know it. Because
I'm tired,
bored.
okay?
Yeah, I'm bored. I'm like bored in the house, man. I'm like bored.
Oh, look at my doggy.
Yeah, we're all bored. So it's bored in the house because I'm in the house bored.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm
We're gonna burn the house,
I'm in
man.
the house and I'm in the house bored.
bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored.
Yes, yeah.
Motherfucker in the house,
Her name's Daisy.